What's up guys, it's me Ramay. So now we are going to cook some food in our Rwandan traditional style, but I'm not going to show you the face of the guest who is cooking, just to keep some privacy. So can you tell what we are cooking right now? What you're doing?
I'm going to cook a fish, and then after fish I'm going to cook banana and beans, and then we are going to cook, after that we are going to cook the rice.
The rice.
Yeah, now I'm preparing the thing to use in the soup. Yeah,
Oh,
thank you.
so that is a fresh fish.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, it was me Ramay. Do not forget to subscribe. I will be telling you. Bye. Let me show the view outside. So quite nice, isn't it? Bye.